Don't miss this spectacular and rare 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium in a classic brick row house located right in the center of the coveted and prestigious Back Bay area of Boston, with an extraordinary common roof deck enjoying some of the best views in the entire city. Welcome to 277 Beacon Street, Unit 1A. This first-floor, 2-level unit is part of a professionally managed 9-unit association, and it has a large open floor plan with a gorgeous mantled fireplace, remarkable soaring ceilings, impressive original details, noteworthy trim work, and oversized crown molding. The modern kitchen features granite countertops, new stainless steel appliances, generous cabinet storage, and a handy island perfect for entertaining. The lower level has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, including a large main bedroom with an amazing 4 closets, and its own modern bathroom. Both bedrooms have wonderful exposed brick and glass block walls as well. The second bedroom has a handy office area, and just outside the door is a large walk-in closet and another modern bathroom. Features include new interior painting throughout the entire unit, heat and hot water included in your monthly condo fee, newly refinished wood flooring, and recessed lighting. The impressive late 19th century building has beautiful entry and common areas, common laundry, it's pet-friendly, and has a stunning large roof deck with postcard-like views of the Hancock and Prudential buildings, and this deck will make you popular with your friends and relatives, as it also offers a spectacular view of the July 4th fireworks. The location is to die for, being right between Dartmouth Street and Exeter Street, and enjoys a Walker's Paradise score of 97 out of 100 on walkscore.com. Easily visit over 100 restaurants, bars, shops, and cafes, all within just 1/2 of a mile from here. This desirable unit is in a super convenient location, and it's a perfect spot to live in or for the savvy investor.